leadership. And let me thank all of our panelists and advocates for youth and all of you for really beating the drum and sounding the alarm and making sure that young people are empowered to really lead this movement towards an AIDS-free generation. And let me tell you, I'm confident that you're going to do this because young people elected our first African American as president of this great United States. So you did it. And so I know that you're going to lead us in the direction that we need to go. A couple of things, let me just say. First of all, I have several grandchildren between the ages of 13 and 24, and trust me, they remind me to keep it real each and every day. And they were so happy I was going to be here today with you to keep it real. And just know that you have many advocates on Capitol Hill. We are working now so hard with you to make sure that we find avenues to ensure that, because we know you're champions, but on Capitol Hill, you know, you're the voices that members of Congress need to hear from. You all have helped me for many years sponsor our Real Education for Healthy Youth Act, Be For Real, our Comprehensive Sex Education Act. It's an evidence-based program that really have been proven effective by public health recommendations, and I just have to say we owe it to all of you to really inform members of Congress about safe sexual health practices, how to encourage positive relationships and self-esteem, provide sexual and reproductive health education. All of that is in this bill. And so we want you to help us lobby more on Capitol Hill to get this bill passed. We have to be, and the bill is respectful of students' sex, race, color, ethnicity, national origin, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity, and religion. And so we have to have legislation that's inclusive and that includes your voices and your provisions. And so be sure you know that out of this International AIDS Conference, that you move, for those of you in our own country, move toward Capitol Hill and lobby big time on behalf of the issues that are so important for you, which really means issues that are so important to our future. Finally, let me just say, yes, you know, I support a National Youth HIV and AIDS Education Awareness Day. We have to make that happen. We have to make that happen. And you all decide how you want to move forward with that on Capitol Hill, but whatever you decide, I'm there. And we're going to do it. And Ronnie, I just want to thank all of you and thank all of you again for being such great champions. And it's so good to see so many of you here today because, you know, we couldn't have an International AIDS Conference in America, but it's been 22 years. And I had to lead the effort, which I did, but we got bipartisan support with our activists and with many of you to lift this discriminatory and very harmful and very terrible travel ban. And so now, for those of you who are from abroad, let me just welcome you to the United States of America, finally. So thank you again, and good luck, and really, you're awesome.